Good morning. It's me. Hi. It's Friday, March 15th, 8:52 in the morning. 51 degrees outside, but there's a lot of wind. Last week, my last video, I went by this park and it was packed. I mean, I couldn't even find a place to park. So I thought I'd save it for my first hunt today. There's another park I'm going to go to too that was also packed. So let's see what they left me. Well, I'm back in the car, A, because it's windy, and B, those kids' pockets must have been repaired. Not a single signal. Okay. Well, let's go find another place. Wow, look at that glare across the lens right there. All right, we're at park number 2. This was another one I couldn't get to, so maybe there's something here. Okay, we found something. I got a quarter. Yay! Our next target, a zinc penny. And we got 3 more zinc pennies. I think we're just going to call that first park a warm-up. It is windy today. At least we found some coins. On to the next park. All right, another park. This one I couldn't hunt either because it was busy. So it's probably nothing here. Oh, scored myself a penny with the score. And we got a quarter. Hey, and a penny and a quarter. All right, we're at another park. I'm a princess. Scored a penny. It's slim pickings out there today. All right, another park. Oh, update. On the necklace and pendant I found last week, I'm still trying to find the owner. It's just really difficult with only a first name and middle name on there. When I look it up, it comes up with thousands of people. But none in my community, and none that matches that picture. So I'll keep looking, because I would like to get it back to the person that lost it. We got a penny and a quarter at this park. It was way too windy to film. All right, another park. More wind. Yay. Nothing but foil. Foiled again. All right. We'll go check out another park. All right, let's hit this last park. My typical last park. The one closest to my house. See what we can find. It was like a little bit busy last weekend. So, and it was busy throughout the week. Kind of drove through here scouting it. But I bet you I find nothing. Our first hit, a penny. And now we have a quarter. And we got ourselves a nickel. Hey, it's a buffalo. Just kidding. It's modern. Well, this is a neat one. Little religious pendant. Unfortunately, I'm pretty sure it's not real gold. Just by those marks on the back. Well, I found the clasp for it. If I can get this thing to focus. I found the clasp for it. It came up as iron. And we have, and my phone is not, it's not one of them. And we have a dime. Got a 2-penny spill. Another penny. Well, that's it. We're gonna head home, get cleaned up, clean up the junk, and we'll see what we got. All right, time for the trash can roundup. All right, there's all the junk. Seem to be Allen wrench season again. This is the first thing I found. No idea what it is. This is one of those security Torx drivers, so I'll probably keep this one, because you never know. But I have too many of these. And then there's this odds and ends. Spring steel wire, bottle caps, a barrette that it's gonna get thrown away. Big steel rod thing. Yeah, that's the junk. So we'll go inside and check out the good stuff. All right, let's look at the good stuff. There you go. We had 12 pennies, 5 quarters, a dime, a nickel, a princess pendant, and a little religious pendant. Not too bad. So thanks for coming along with me on this adventure. We had a good day. Wasn't expecting much, but we did okay. Y'all take care. Go out there. Someone has to talk to me. Y'all take care. Good luck out there. Happy hunting. Stay safe. Bye for now.